Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Gem0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So this package right here is coming from Finish Line. I picked these up on release day, but I just didn't have a chance to actually unbox them. They were actually pretty easy to grab since it looks like the hype on these are kind of dying down. Since the brand is actually making a lot more of the shoes available for everybody to grab, so which to me is a good thing. I know it's a bad thing for resellers, but it was, again, it's pretty easy to grab. So here we go. And again, this is coming from Finish Line. They do give you a little, I guess, return label. I believe there should be a return label. Yes, there's again from Finish Line right there. So as you can see, it's a Yeezy box right here. It's the 350, size 10.5, Yeezy Boost 350 V2. This colorway is Sesame. So you already know. Retail is $220 on these. So let's crack them open right here. The white paper, and then you got the shoe itself. I know a bunch of people passed on this shoe, so which made it again easier to grab as well. Clean colorway in my opinion. That's why I grabbed them. Again, you got the gum bottom right there, and you got the visible boost. You got the Bruce branding. And then you got this upper, again, that normally in the different colorways you could see the Supply 350 over here, but on this one you can kind of still see the stripe, but as far as the writing you really can't see it. Then you got the pull tab right there, you got the laces, you got the Sesame colorway. So again, simple colorway, but pretty dope in my opinion. So here's the other pair right there. And again, this pair has that, I guess, that chip on the tag. So, and it also has it on the, saying that it has a chip on the label as well. So again, just a quick look at the Sesame V2s, which I got from Finish Line. So if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube. Peace out.